I'm gonna do a build breakdown of my truck here. It's a 1994 Dodge 2500, the 12 valve Cummins. It's a 4-speed auto, single cab long box, power windows, power locks, stock height truck. It's got Bilstein 5100s, 20x12 Cali Summits on 305/50 Cooper Xeons. Got a sport front end I converted. We got a custom set of compounds I built and intake horn as well. It's a factory HX35 to a Borg S475. We got power driven diesel 5x18 injectors, full cut delivery valves, 4K govner springs, 60-pound valve springs, and Mack rack plug, couple other fueling things. The truck made 660 horse and 1,300 foot-pounds of torque.